Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for no-nonsense reviews on products that actually deliver. In today's episode, we're diving into what we consider the best ultra-shine car interior cleaner on the market. The Chemical Guys G6 HyperCoat High Gloss Protectant Dressing. Whether you're a detailing pro or just want your ride to look like it rolled out of a showroom, this is a product that should absolutely be on your radar. Let's start with what this product is all about. The Chemical Guys G6 HyperCoat is a high-gloss, sprayable protectant dressing specifically formulated for vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. That means it's perfect for both interior and exterior detailing. Dashboards, door panels, weather stripping, bumpers, tires, you name it, G6 is built to restore and protect. The standout feature of this product is its shine. We're talking about a deep, rich, wet-look gloss that brings faded, dull surfaces back to life. If your trim has been bleached by the sun or your tires look more gray than black, just a few sprays of G6 HyperCoat can make them pop again. And the best part? It doesn't just mask the problem temporarily. This product restores color and depth while also laying down a layer of durable protection. Now let's break down the formula. G6 HyperCoat uses a water-based, non-greasy composition that sets it apart from traditional oily dressings. The finish it leaves behind is smooth and clean, not sticky or slick. That means it repels dust and dirt more effectively, and you won't get that annoying residue on your clothes or hands every time you touch the dash. It's all about a clean, professional look without the mess. Application is incredibly easy. Just spray it on, spread it with a microfiber towel or applicator pad, and buff it out. You don't need to overthink it. There's no complicated layering or waiting around for it to dry. You can get professional-level results in just a few minutes, whether you're in the garage or out in the driveway. Another thing we appreciate is the product's versatility. While it's often marketed for interiors, you can absolutely use it on tires and trim outside your car. It holds up against the elements, including rain and UV rays, thanks to its G6 trim sealant technology. That protection helps prevent cracking, fading, and discoloration, especially in harsh climates. And let's talk about value. You're getting a 16-ounce bottle that goes a long way because a little truly does go a long way. It's priced around the $20 mark, which is reasonable considering the multi-surface capability and the quality of results. Plus, it's available with international shipping, so even if you're detailing from across the globe, you can get your hands on this product without much hassle. To wrap up, if you're serious about restoring your car's plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces to a like-new condition, the Chemical Guys G6 HyperCoat is a winner. It brings the shine, protects against future wear, and does it all without the greasy mess. It's quick, effective, and delivers on every promise. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used G6 HyperCoat or have another product you swear by, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an honest review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.